Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. I always say that Happy Mail is a hug in a box. This is from Holly's Dolly Hobby, and this did not go unnoticed. Thank you, Holly, from the bottom of my heart for every single thing. But to pay the postage these days is such a big deal. It's just ridiculous because I mail out a lot of things, and it's just expensive. I really, really appreciate it. Holly is the sweetest thing. Lift straight up with ribbon. How cute is she? How cute is she?
Looks heavy.
It is heavy. Oh, wow. This is a cool box. Let's set this to the side. Turn it. Okay, this way. I love these boxes. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's going to replace the green one in the living room. There's stuff on it. Darren and Marna. Let me open this. And that has a magnet. Isn't that cool? Love it, love it, love it. Darren and Marna. All right. Dear Marna and Darren, here's a little package to brighten your day and to say thank you for all you do for the online Dolly community. Together, you two, oh God love you. This is so nice. Have made it such a fun thing. Together, you two have made it a fun and inviting place to be. This package is also a little glimpse of Oregon, things I have been collecting in my travels over the past year or more. I hope you enjoy. Thank you again, Holly's Dolly Hobby. I love that name, Holly's Dolly Hobby. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. This is so, oh, I wish you could feel this if your hands were clean. Oh my God, Holly. You know who that's going to. Oh, thank you. Let's see, there's more in here. Here's her card. Holly's Dolly Hobby. Isn't that the cutest? And then the little doll, her little mini me. And here is, hold that over the camera so they can see it all. Okay. Here is a little, oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. Holly has sent me more than one. Oh, I want to be really careful. Let me, which way do I want to pull
this? Like a little dream
this?
catcher on the front.
Yeah, that's really cool.
It smells nice too.
Oh, what did she send? Oh, how there's a lot in this little. Who knew? First of all, look how. Oh, there's more.
But wait.
There's more. Oh, how cool. My Wednesday Addams loves these. Isn't this the cutest little bag? And Holly is so fancy. Ties a little ribbon on it just to make it cuter. Okay. Oh, little keychain doll. Oh, in pink. Love pink. When did the shoes come off? That is so cute. And I'll bet she made this. Oh, wait. Isn't that is really cute. Holly, did you make this? You are so clever. Okay. Oh, another balloon. These are great for my clown Blythes. Really cute for my clown Blythes. I have many. Numerous. Those are so, oh, they're very light. It's like kind of like styrofoam, but not. God, that's cute. And then this little jar, very cute.
Potion bottle.
And I think this was fancy it up. And Holly knows I love to ride bike. Oh, Amaya Rain. We ride bikes, Darren and I. We're cyclists. How cute are those? Oh, Oregon.
Oh, and but our buddy Bigfoot.
Bigfoot. We love Bigfoot. And a B for Barbie. Let me set these down. It's hurting my hand. Oh, the Campbell's kids. Isn't that adorable? Tiny little paper doll. This is my thumbnail. Look how cute they are. Oh my God, they're tiny. Wait, there's more. Oh my God, these are so cool. You know what? I need a little frame for these. That is really cute. Oh, and a little horse. I bet it's a briar. No, stablemates are a little bit bigger than that. Oh, that is cute. Oh my God, I love geese. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Oh, Holly, this is so fun. Weren't you just looking at something like this?
It was a gas pump that I
Yeah.
thought might be Blythe scale, the old style gas pumps.
Oh, this
But
is.
they wanted too much for them.
Yeah, they did. And everything else was so cheap. We
Yeah.
saw it at a garage sale. Everything else was so cheap, and then.
I thought that'd go well with that Corvette when I get it done.
Oh, isn't this the cutest? And look, it
works.
actually works.
Gumballs.
Oh my God, that is adorable. Let's see, how big is that? Can you see
Yeah.
the whole? Oh yeah, this.
Give
Oh,
me
yeah.
some M&Ms for it or something.
Oh, that's a great idea. We can bring them in here on a Thursday night when we're
And eat in
live.
front of everybody.
Yeah. Nah, I don't like doing that. I don't like to drink in front of everybody. Okay, this is heavy. This is heavy. Oh, Holly, this is so fun. It's like Christmas. This is so hug in a box. A Happy Mail. It's not just the act of them sending you something. It's the whole act. They thought of it. They bought it or they made it, and then they wrapped it up so cute. Oh man. Oh look, matches. That's Holly. And then they put it in a box and mailed it to you, meaning they paid the postage. It is a big deal, a very big deal. Darren's going to want this. This is for Darren. Darren has a peanut butter and jelly sandwich every day. Well, almost every single day. And I can tell that this is some sort of, pepperheads. Oh, God, yes, you're going to love this. You are going to love this. Thank you. This is going to Darren. Absolutely. Look at this. Oh, my God, that's so cute.
With
a Yorkie. Katie, yes. We're going to try this on a Blythe Thursday night live at 6 o'clock Central Time. And there's more. Enchanted Forest. Oh, look at Humpty Dumpty. Oh, I love that. This hangs on the wall. Isn't that the cutest? Like in a dollhouse. That's adorable. Or on front of a dollhouse. How cute is that? Darling, darling, darling,
I wonder
darling.
if Enchanted Forest is some kind of Ren Fair or something like that there in Oregon.
We're going to have to look it up. Oh, wait. Oh, look at this. How cool. Look at the egg. I used to collect, not quite an egg, but almost. I used to collect stone eggs, and I had a ceramic Easter basket that I kept them in. Thank you, Holly. Those are gorgeous. And there's still more. Sew and cut doll clothes. Oh, how fun. Oh, how cute. That looks like fits Barbie brand dolls. That's code for fashion dolls. Oh, that's really cool. I love these. This was such a good idea. Whoever came up with this many, many years ago, and they always put the instructions right on the fabric. And what I really like is they don't waste fabric. They put it right up next to, because for doll clothes, when you make regular clothes, you put it on the, I can't think what's called, on the fabric straight up or straight across. But for doll clothes, it doesn't matter. I love that. Oh, that is cool. That is very cool. Holly is so blessed. She has a doll club, and I'll bet this is related to that. She has a doll club near her, and once a month they have like a luncheon. Oh, such a lucky woman. Look at this. Oh, I love this. That's beautiful. And look, the flowers kind of match what she sent.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's beautiful. Holly, this is so nice. Ride the Trails, National Forest, love that. Postcard, chocolate hazelnut, postcard. Oh,
Does it must be made there?
I
The ice cream.
Oh, I bet it is. I'll bet it is. I collect Blythe and Smart Doll postcards and business cards. Where'd Holly's go? Because I'll be keeping this because it's got the little doll on it. Brilliant. Oh, I love those. These could actually be Holly's photos. I'll bet it is. Holly is a photographer, and she is second to none. What a cute little container. Oh, I love these little dice. Oh, I love. I actually have some of these, and sometimes I make Darren play games like Yahtzee using little dice. He rolls his eyes. I actually have a dice collection, so I especially love that. Isn't this cute for my Smart Doll?
That is very cute.
And then there's yet something else in here. Wait. There is a treasure map or something here. Oh, my goodness. Another one of those. I love these. That is so cute. You know what I need? Itty bitty frames for each one. But you know what? I'm going to look and see if I can find one where these can be like on in a frame in my doll room.
A little collage.
Yeah, that's really cute. Oh, Holly, I don't know where to start. Thank you so much. This means so much. Happy Mail means so much. This will be going to good use. I promise you. I don't have a project in mind, but oh. I cannot thank you. I wish you all could feel the softness of this. Love it. Thank you so much, Holly. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
And go find Holly's YouTube channel.
Yeah.